A hurricane is one of the most powerful forces on Earth. It begins far from land, over warm ocean water. When sea temperatures rise, energy starts to build. Warm air rises from the surface of the ocean. This creates low pressure below. As more warm air rises, winds begin to rotate. The storm slowly grows stronger. A hurricane feeds on heat. The warmer the water, the more powerful it becomes. From above, hurricanes look calm and symmetrical. But inside, wind speeds can exceed 200 kilometers per hour. At the center of the storm is the eye. The eye is often calm, with clear skies and light winds. Surrounding the eye is the eye wall. This is the most dangerous part of the hurricane. Here, winds are strongest. Rain is intense. Pressure drops rapidly. Storm surge is one of the greatest dangers. Strong winds push ocean water toward the coast. This can cause sudden flooding even before the hurricane makes landfall. Hurricanes also bring extreme rainfall. Flooding can occur far inland long after the storm weakens. Modern technology allows hurricanes to be tracked days in advance. Satellites monitor cloud patterns. Radar systems measure wind and rain. Evacuation orders save lives. Most hurricane deaths are caused by flooding, not wind. Once a hurricane reaches land, it begins to weaken. Without warm water, it loses energy. Eventually, the storm fades. But the damage can last for years. Hurricanes are not random disasters. They follow physical rules. Understanding how they form helps communities prepare. In nature, power builds silently, and sometimes impact begins far from where it is felt.